Hello. Hello, my YouTube peeps. It is I, TK. I wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to give you guys an update on how my, excuse me, how my journey to um, my changing my life is going. Um, so, what should I start with? Okay. I'm still learning. I'm still in the learning process. I am doing my meditation. When I do my meditation, it does help. One of the coolest things that happened was like 3 days ago, and I went to Little Caesars, and I just went there to get a pizza for my son, and I ended up walking out with 3 pieces for the price of one. So that was pretty cool because I'm opening myself up to receiving. So I got 2 extra pizzas for the price of one, which I thought was awesome. And I felt like manifesting and the abundance and all of that. I feel like it's working. I'm still having roadblocks. I went to the casino yesterday, and I I felt like in my mind I probably shouldn't have been playing because my vibrations were not really high. And I knew this. And I played anyway. And I didn't win anything. So there's something to it when you playing and you feel good and you're excited and you know you're gonna win, you win. How do I know this? Because my sister went with me and she won. She won a little over $1,000, and her vibrations were high. She had did a meditation before she went, and it worked out for her. So I say that to say this: um, if you're not feeling, you know, good, or you're not feeling like your vibrations are high enough, don't move forward with doing something like buying a scratcher's ticket or a lotto ticket or even going to the casino and playing. I wouldn't do it unless you feel like you're going to win and your vibrations are high. And it's good to do, some type of meditation before you go to get your vibrations high. I think that's all that I have for now. I'll be back. I'm going to be doing 2 videos a week for right now. When I get into this even more, I'm probably going to be doing more videos throughout the week, but we'll see. Well, yeah, that was it. I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.